I'm messing with him, but I'm not. I'm just showing you guys how many pieces this closet organizer is.
Interrupting my concentration. It's showing that about 6 months later how many pieces it is. This is my closet organizer that my husband did not put together yet.
Don't pay him no attention. The closet organizer kit has many pieces as you witness, so it would take some time to get all those pieces assembled. While my husband tries to make heads or tails from the piles of the wood, here is a photo of what the closet should look like fully assembled in the store. The Organizer is by Allen & Ross and it cost us $329 at Lowe's. We have it in white, but as you can see here, it comes in a dark stained wood. Priced separately, there are several accessories you can purchase, a wired laundry basket and some extra drawers to assemble. There are two options for shelving. There is a solid shelf that comes with the kit, or you can purchase a rack shelf. This DIY is one of my faves, an easy no-sew pillow using pillows you already have. No need to purchase a pillow form. Here is what you need: your favorite material, iron, tape measure, old pillows, scissors, stitch witchery that's heavy duty, a pencil or a marker. Measure the pillow from the width and then the length. Add another ½ inch to the measurements for all 4 sides of the pillow. You will need this extra material for a hem. Transfer those measurements to your material on the reverse side. Cut to size for the back and the front part of the pillow. Then check your measurements by using the pillow or pillow form. Adjust the fit accordingly and trim any excess as needed. To make your hem, fold the sides to the measured line and iron flat. Do this to all sides for the front and the back pieces. Working with one piece of the material at a time, measure a piece of stitch witchery tape, cut to length, and place tape on top of the hem. Once the tape is positioned at the edge but not over the edge, enclose the tape with the other piece of the material. Iron with a hot iron until the pieces are fused together. Let cool and do the next 2 sides, leaving the top of the pillow open. You should have a pocket or something similar to a pillowcase. Slide the pillow or pillow form inside the pillowcase. Check the fit. Make sure the pillow fills the corners of the pillowcase. Using the same enclosure technique as you did the other 3 sides, fuse the top portion of the pillow closed with the stitch witchery. Let it cool. Embellish your pillow with cording, ribbon, or gems. Let's go see how hubby is coming with the closet installation. This is the bottom part, I take it, of the cabinet. And these 2 pieces mounts together on the wall. Okay, we're in Walmart and I'm looking for a nice blanket and some pillows to go in the room. So Let's see what we can find here. These are nice. This is Jocelyn Smith collection, and they're $39.99. I have this white here for $29.94. Super soft, lightweight plush, easy care. That looked promising. 100% polyester. Okay, we have a big old wall here with nothing but pillows, so let's see if we can find something decent. Okay, here's a section of pillows that's promising. We have some micro puff down alternative pillows, and that is $13.99. And then we have the memory fiber pillow, 300 thread count, that's $14.99. And then we have the natural feather pillows. Now, one thing about feathers, some people are allergic, so you have to be careful when you get feathered pillows. So, and that is $13.49 for the feather one. But the one I'm looking at is this Cool Max temperature regulated pillow for $14.99, 233 thread count, and it's machine washable. So this I like. I'll probably end up getting this for $14.99. They have the memory fiber pillow. It's just nice. It's 300 thread count. But I don't think this is washable. Okay guys, we in Bed Bath & Beyond, and I love this store. They have some gorgeous art and mirrors in here, but we are going to be looking for some lamps. I don't know if they carry lamps in here. I'm not sure, but we're going to look around and see what they have. It's nice. I need some artwork to go in the sports bar area. Oh, that's cute too. Okay, we're on a mission, so. Okay guys, these sheets are called Valeron, and they are 320 thread count, but look at the prices on them. $250 for a king and $199 for a queen. They're gorgeous though. I haven't came across any lamps yet, but I do need a garbage can. A garbage can for the guest bath. And these are nice. I guess I would get a brush silver. How much is this? This one is $34.99. Okay, so these are $12.99. The waste baskets, and this is $19.99. And they have all kinds of colors here. So, since the suite will be black and white, I guess I either get a black one or a white one. Okay guys, I think I hit the jackpot. These are $9.99 for a stainless steel wastebasket. I think we have a winner. It is finally completed, my friends. As you can see, it looks gorgeous. My husband did a great job. You can also see there's no closet doors. We decided to take the closet doors off because the cabinet looks so pretty, and I think it should be open for everyone to see. So we wanted it part of the room. So I think it would look nice, decorated and everything. And you can actually see the beauty of the cabinet. So let's take a closer look. If you remember the photo that I showed you what the cabinet looked like in Lowe's, you can tell there is something that's different. The shelving is at different levels because we thought it would better serve us and our guests when they come visit. At Lowe's, the shelving was at the very top, but when you look at the very top on this closet, it is very high, so it wouldn't be easy accessible to us or our guests to get things or even to use that space. So instead of having a negative space up there, we decided to put it at different levels so we can be able to use it. Now on this side, you'll see a shelf, that's a little smaller than the on the right side, and we did it this way on purpose. That's to better serve the space for different functions. Like this shelf here will be used for decorative pillows that will come off the bed, so when the guests are ready for bed they have some place to put the decorative pillows. So that's what this shelf will be used for. Up under that is a rod for the long garments, for whatever long garments that they have. There's room down at the bottom, so they can also use that when they unpack their things and have shoes and things in that nature. We'll go over on the other side where you see this blank wall here. I will be putting some artwork there. I figured since the closet door would be open, it would be great to have some artwork to go with the room. This shelf here is a great use of space where I will put all my welcoming items there for my guests. It could be where the snacks are, where the welcome booklet is. All kinds of things can be used on this shelf. They can also use it when they want to get ready for bed and prepare for the next day, or even their personal items can be used like a top of a dresser. So this shelf can serve many functions for our guests. Up under that is where the short garments are being hung, and that is the rod for that. And as you go below, you see there's plenty of space for them to put other items, carry on or what have you, down on the floor. So now let's look at the cabinet itself. The cabinet is divided in two spaces, shelf in the middle there, so you have this space up top there that we can be used, and a space here, and then we have two drawers and then a laundry basket. The drawers are very deep, so this is a very nice drawer here that can be used for many things. So especially we have guests that will be staying more than a few days. So that's that. And then we have the laundry basket here, which rolls out, which is a nice feature that I like. So our guests would love that. As you can see, the cabinet is floating. They do have a stand that they sell. I think it's $30. I'm not quite sure, but the kit does have a stand, but it's sold separately. We wanted the cabinet to be floating because we figure our guests can use the space for their carry-on bag or any other small bags that they want out of the way once they unpack. So I think the cabinet looks very nice against the dark paint. It makes the cabinet pops. The contrast is beautiful, so I'm quite happy with it. My husband did a very nice job with the paint, and I love the color. So that is it, my friends. I hope you enjoyed this video. I enjoyed doing it. Leave comments below and let me know what you think so far, how things are going, or if you have any tips to make things better, share those too. So I'll see you on the next video where we'll be doing a lot more decorating and some more DIYs. Until then, smooches!